So what's up, homies? Check this out. I'm off to work right now. Today's actually Friday, March 16th. One day before St. Patrick's Day. And on Fridays, what happens at work is usually the Snap-on truck shows up. So what I'm going to do today, as you saw by the thumbnail, is I'm going to try to spend $100 with Snap-on. Now, if you guys know, Snap-on is already pretty pricey compared to Harbor Freight, so I want to go ahead and compare two videos. I want to compare my Snap-on tool haul that I'm going to do today and compare it to my Harbor Freight tool haul, so you guys can see what benefits you more. Obviously, we know Snap-on is quality, Harbor Freight is quantity. So right now what I'm doing is heading to work at 6:30 in the morning. So yeah, let's head over to work, wait for Snap-on to show up, and then we'll see what we can get from him. So yeah, guys, I made it to work. It's right now it's 6:45. I'm scheduled at maybe this. So I'm scheduled to work at 6:30, but nobody's here yet. And that's usually how it goes, you know. You show up early, nobody's here. You show up late, they give you shit about it. But I kind of like this early morning schedule. Right now we're at work. We're waiting for Snap-on. Snap-on's gonna be here like around noon. So we're just gonna go in, spend $100. I'm trying to spend no more than $100 with Snap-on, and then we're gonna see what we get. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys. So this is my tool cart right here. You can see all my ratchet wrenches from Snap-on. I also got some swivel sockets from Snap-on, but I'm missing one. I got my Craftsman here. I got my 1/4" set from Snap-on, but it's also missing some sockets. I did lose a 10. I actually lost both 10s. The deep socket 10, I replaced it with a Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. And for my shallow one, I think I got a Craftsman one. I just don't think you should get Snap-on. You know, it's pretty expensive for one socket. But I also lost my 6 and my 7. I'm missing a 14 over here on the Snap-on swivel sockets, and I'm missing a 15 of my ratchet wrenches. I've had some replaced already, but the 15 I lost, so we're just gonna wait for Snap-on to show up and let's see what we get. Alright, guys, so I forgot to show you the tools that I got at work. So I'm actually back home, and I brought the receipts with me, and I actually got the 2 tools that I got. That's right, you heard it. 2 tools. $100 with Snap-on. It's not gonna get you a lot. Let's keep in mind though that Snap-on is quality, and this is one of the things that I got. So you're gonna have to decide, do I want to go to Harbor Freight and spend $100 and get a bunch of tools that can do the same thing that Snap-on can, or do I want to go to Snap-on and get yourself whatever you can afford with $100? This is one of the tools that I got. This is my 15 millimeter ratcheting wrench. Now the 15 millimeter is used on a lot of Chevys on their drain plugs. When I was working at Chevy, I actually lost it. I know somebody of you at Chevy's watching this and you know where my 15 is at, so give it back, mother. Yeah, I got myself a 15 ratcheting wrench. This right here was actually, let me see if I can show you that right there. It says 15 millimeter. Alright, so it says 15 millimeter offset ratchet wrench combo. This right here was $50 with 32 cents to be exact. Right here. Alright, so one ratcheting wrench from Snap-on, $50.32. The other tool that I got is one that I know I'm going to be using a lot. It's my 14 millimeter swivel impact socket. It's a very common socket used on a lot of Toyota, Nissan, Honda on their brake calipers. It's very common. So the 14, I'm gonna wear this thing out. I'm gonna use it a lot. So this is a must-have tool. This is why I got it. I'm missing my 13 millimeter quarter-inch deep socket, and I'm missing my 6 and my 7 shallow socket. But those I really don't use a lot. The 13, I dropped it inside the engine bay of an Audi and I never got it back. Never came back out. So here it is. This is a 14 millimeter impact swivel socket from Snap-on. This one, here's a receipt for this one. It says here, let me see if you can see that. 14 millimeter, I can't read backwards, but that's the amount right there. It's $50 with 10 cents. So Snap-on tools are expensive. This is my Snap-on tool haul with $100. If you guys haven't seen my Harbor Freight video, I'm gonna link it at the end of this video. So go watch that and ask yourself, do you want to go to Harbor Freight and spend $100, or do you want to go to Snap-on and spend $100? Obviously, these are just replacements because the other ones that I had were misplaced, were lost, or were stolen. And I just hate having incomplete sets, so I had to get these to complete my ratcheting wrench set. And the design did change a little bit. They do look a little bit different, but I think this is the upgraded, much better version. But the part number is the same. It's 704-4029 OXR M15. I mean, part numbers don't really matter. It's a ratcheting wrench, right? You can go to Harbor Freight and get ratcheting wrenches. And if they have lifetime warranty, like I said before, then go to Harbor Freight. This one, I replaced a couple of ratcheting wrenches from Snap-on. The thing is, they just cost a lot more. I can go buy them on Harbor Freight, and if they break, I can go back to Harbor Freight, get another one right then and there. Swivel impact sockets, I would recommend to get them from Snap-on, even though they are kind of pricey, but they're very good. They're very durable. That's the thing. You either want quality or you want quantity. You decide. That's it. Snap-on tool haul with $100. I don't know what you guys expected, but I knew I wasn't gonna get much. But hey, $100 got me two things. I was only expecting one item, honestly. But yeah, if you guys like the video, if you guys think this is a dope-ass tool haul, share the video, share with your homies, tell them, hey, the homie Hector spent $100 on Snap-on, you want to see what he got? Share the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, here's a Harbor Freight video coming in at the end for you guys. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch it. And stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't, because I'm bringing more videos. What's this? Fucking popular today. But yeah, that's it, guys. Homie Hector's out of here. I gotta go home eat something, then go get a workout in, and then just chill because it's Friday. I ain't got no job. Nah, I got a job, but I still gotta go home. Peace out, guys.